you don't think about insurance until the day you need it. And by then, it's already too late. Water damage is one of the most expensive risks in construction. Mistakes happen. Doesn't matter how good you are. What matters is how well you've prepared. Zensurance makes it simple. You answer a few questions and within minutes, you've got a quote made for your business. Look, I've worked too hard to let one bad day ruin everything. And that's why I run my business with coverage that makes sense and why I trust Zensurance to back me up.